Hello. What's this? Oh, what's this Zoom junkie? Oh, I'm the winner. Look at this junkie.
Yeah, you have 66%.
Yeah, super. I love you, my friends. I love you. Look, I'm better than Reese, KFC, and Little Bunker.
Yes.
Ah, look, my new stuff. I got a big Natoos egg and Minions. I'm sorry, my friends. My voice is a little bit. Have a little cold. Yeah, and here are my Minion friends.
Bloop, 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 bloop.
And he is cool.
So,
Look, the collector's guide. I want him with this thing on his head. And the crew in the airship. Yeah?
alrighty, let's see which ones we got. And yeah. So, and yeah. So here comes the first surprise.
Wow, what is it?
Oh, yeah, it's a minion with a robot arm. And
So exciting.
so apparently it can stick under the table. Interesting.
What does this mean?
I don't know. Sort of you wash it or something with soap?
Let's try it out. Yeah, the first thing we do, yeah, very clever. The first thing we do, we attach it to the alarm clock.
Let's do it.
Look, it sticks to the alarm clock. Yeah, I like it.
That's kind of interesting surprise toy. And yeah, there are different ways to attach the minions. So we could also attach it like this.
Hello, Minion.
So yeah, so I don't know what this washing means. Maybe when it's dirty you wash it or something. But yeah, this is sort of a sticky material.
It's magic. It's magic from the Ferrero scientists, my colleagues.
So let's check out the next eggs. And yeah, so we got another special figurine. And this time we got the ship. And let's see.
What is it all about?
Hey, okay. So this is not. This is just a side view or something like this. And yeah, we attach the sticker.
Okay.
Alrighty, so there's a spaceship.
It's boring.
So yeah. And it's funny, this stuff here, the red stuff, is also like this sticky plastic glue. It seems to be new materials they're using. Yeah.
I cannot remove it. It's very strong.
Alrighty, so
Now we eat the chocolate. Let's do. Now the big egg. Inside the big egg is a big dinosaur. I know it. I'm so strong. I'm the strongest plush bunny in the world. Wow. It's Giraffe.
Yeah. So it's this tall animal from Africa. Yeah.
Now we assemble it.
So this is the neck. This has like the super long neck in order to eat from every tree. And as you can see, it's a semi-functional action figurine. Yeah.
Wow! What can the Legos do?
I don't know.
Okay, next.
So we got 2 eggs left. I'm not quite sure what's in there, like the standard issue stuff. Let's see. So interesting little flower stuff is going on. Maybe a spin top. And here's some cardboard things. Let's see what the flyer has to say about this. So here's a lion. Yeah, it's a spin top. Don't ask me where's the lion on.
Yeah, show it.
So first of all, I sort of use it without the attached cardboard thingies. Oops, you couldn't see anything.
Fail. I spin around and oops. No cardboard.
Alrighty, so this is quite interesting. So you got this hex slot in the middle, and around it you attach this cardboard. It's almost like a flower. It's like reverse and like picking a flower. It's putting a flower together. And now I guess it spins better since it's more mass on the outside. Well, I'm not sure. No. So I guess I have to bend it the right way. Like this. Okay. Okay.
Not Virgo.
Yeah, it's not working somehow. Flips over or something. Okay.
Next.
So here comes the last egg for today.
I want more chocolate. Eh. I love big YouTube. I love YouTube. I'm a YouTube star.
Yeah, you are. So what is this? So little mouse. What's a mouse all about? 2 parts. X-ray, wow. Alright, so first step is assembly of a mouse. I think it looks pretty cool. So I sort of a little bit ripped it. And then you put the X-ray somehow in front of the mouse. And I'm not quite sure what it means. It means sunlight. Whether it's like it glows in the dark. But can you see it? From the side a little bit. You can see already here. Yeah, now you can see it.
Yeah, we see it. You're clever.
So this is something printed on. And I guess it's heat sensitive. No, it isn't. It's not heat sensitive. It says sunlight, so I check whether it glows in the dark. Alrighty, so this is a mystery to me.
To me as well.
So basically it does not glow in the dark, and it's also not heat sensitive. You cannot rub it, nothing happens. So maybe it's with sunlight, and sunlight has like ultraviolet light component and it rejects to this. So
I put it into the window and we see.
Yeah.
I come back to you when I have found out what this is all about. Yeah? So, well, we haven't shown the flyer of the giraffe.
No, we haven't. So let's see. So look at this. So the giraffe is 600 centimeters tall.
This is 6 meters.
Then weighs 1,000 kilogram.
This is 1 ton.
And eats apple and leaves.
Oh, delicious.
And can run 60 kilometers per hour.
Wow, so fast. So fast.
And there's also a koala, a bison, whale, and owl.
I want to collect everything.
Alrighty. So, yeah, we still have a riddle. We have to find out what this is all about.
Yeah, we will find out. We are clever. Okay. Do you know what this is all about? No? Do you know something? Minions. Minions not clever. I'm very clever.
So let's put this stuff on here and then we say goodbye. Here we go.
Thanks for watching, my beautiful friends. Thank you for voting. Yeah, I'm so proud that I have won. I finally won the Best Video of the Week award. Thank you. Bye-bye. I love you. Yeah. Oh, now I eat all the chocolate and sniff it to me.